Another type of terminal is the hook terminal, often found on hermetically sealed relays. The wire wrap should be at least 90 degrees. This one is 180 degrees. For repair work, a 270-degree wrap is recommended. When there are two wires going to the hook, one goes to one side and one to the other. A loop is made with the end of a pair of round-nosed pliers. Again, the solder bridge is used, and with this type of terminal, the iron and solder are removed at the same time. The preferred joint has the characteristics we've seen before: slightly concave fillets, a bright, shiny appearance, and evidence of good wetting. Finally, here is the pierced terminal, which you'll sometimes find. Again, the wires can enter from either the sides or the top. They're wrapped so that they touch three adjacent sides of the terminal. You've now seen the techniques for soldering wires to a variety of terminals. In Part 3, we'll show you the methods for soldering electronic components to printed circuit boards.